In front of me is NOKIA 2.3 and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first just open the camera app, and here you've got the timer icon, so mark it, and you can pick 3 seconds on or 10 seconds delay. Let me go with 10 seconds, and now if you would like to grab a picture, you will have 10 seconds delay, so at first you will see the countdown and afterwards the picture will be taken. And that's it. Obviously it works the same with 2 seconds option. Let me show you, 3 seconds, sorry. And then you can smoothly turn off this function by tapping on off, and now you can grab photo with no delay. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can activate and use camera timer. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.